So I'm going to show you how to manage a small powder spill inside of a fume hood. So I'm going to weigh out some potassium carbonate. I just have the balance inside of the hood. You would normally have these in different cabinets, but we're just going to do this over here for convenience. Potassium carbonate is pretty prone to static, so it's quite common for it to spill from the spatula when you're trying to put it onto your weighing boat. And especially if you're a little bit sloppy, like I am here, you can see that it's all over the balance. It's on the pan. It's on the fume hood floor. It's all over the place. And what I'm going to have to do is I have to get this all cleaned up before I do anything else. So first of all, I'm going to recover my reagent and throw away the contaminated weighing boat. So I'm just going to sweep up using one of these small brushes. You can use a dustpan and brush for a larger spill, or you can just use tissue paper if you don't have a brush available to you. You should try to make sure that you get as much of the spill as possible, because someone else who uses this equipment after you may not know that it's potassium carbonate. Then they may be concerned that it's sodium azide or potassium cyanide or something else that's quite poisonous. Now that I've got most of the powder in place, I'm just going to use a filter paper or something else convenient to hand that I'm going to brush the powder on. So I've got all the powder contained. And then I can just fold that up and add that into my standard waste inside of my fume hood. And now I'm just going to wipe the area down with water. That's what I would use for water-soluble spillages, like carbonates or anything like that. If it was something organic soluble, I would use acetone, ethanol, or another kind of innocuous standard solvent. And then again, all cleaner material or anything that I've used must go into the contaminated bins inside of the fume hood. And because I've been cleaning, it's usually best practice to remove the gloves that I've used. And the area is now safe.